Hello guys, today we'll be considering an issue that was reported by a user that the printer is printing black copies. The printouts are completely black. So quickly I'll be logging into the administrative panel of this printer to be able to ascertain the problem myself and get a quick fix to this issue. So I'm making a print quickly. So I've sent a print. Beautiful. You can see the printout is completely black. Now the reason for this is likelihood to be the LSU unit. I'm going to check the cables of the LSU unit. There must have been some misconnection in the LSU unit. So I'm losing the panel. You turn the printer, go to the back. I'm losing the panel. Remember, this printer we are dealing with is Sharp MX-3550, is same as 3551. So you can see the cable that I'm currently holding is the LSU connector. I noticed that the connector is no longer firm at the connection point. The connector is just behind, underneath the HDD drive, the hard disk drive. You can see that's the LSU connector there. So what I did was to get a paper and attach to that connector, because this is an old printer. I get a paper attached to the connector, and I'm currently fixing it to ensure that the grip is tightened and they are firmly held to the board. I'm fixing it now. Beautiful. I'm going to turn on the printer to see if that issue has been resolved. So I'm powering on the printer now. Remember, this is Copiers Connect, where tech meets precision. Give a like to this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget as well to share this video. So I'm making the print currently to test and to see if the problem has been resolved. Remember, the problem is black printout. So you can see the printout is coming now. It is out. Beautiful. You can see that the print is now completely clean, completely clear. So when you are faced with such challenge of printouts coming in completely black, the issue is with the LSU. So all you need to do is to check if the LSU cables are properly connected, and if they are not, all you also need to do is to connect them properly. So I'm going to, I'm tightening up back the screws, fix the screws where they ought to be. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Copiers Connect, for more educational video. I'm turning on the printer now. I'm also going to make a print after closing it to be fully sure that the problem has been resolved. So I'm making a print now. Beautiful. You can see the printout is very, very lovely, and all the issues has been completely resolved. Hit a like button if you have been enriched by this video. Give it a like, as well as subscribe to this YouTube channel, Copiers Connect, for more engaging and educational video. Looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye.